Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a special video for you where we will learn how to tie a tie. Whether you're heading to a formal event, a job interview, or simply want to sharpen your style, knowing how to tie a tie is an essential skill. So let's dive right in. Before we get started, it's important to note that there are several different ways to tie a tie, each with its own unique style and level of formality. Today, we'll be covering the classic and versatile Windsor knot. It's a popular choice that works well with most collar types and is suitable for both formal and semi-formal occasions. Now, let's break down the steps to tie a Windsor knot. Follow along as I demonstrate. Begin by draping the tie around your neck with the wide end on your dominant side and the narrow end hanging longer on the other side. Ensure that the wide end is about twice as long as the narrow end. Next, cross the wide end over the narrow end, forming an X just below your collarbone. Make sure the wide end remains longer. Take the wide end and bring it up through the loop created by the X. Hold it with your non-dominant hand to keep the loop in place. Pass the wide end behind the narrow end from right to left, keeping the wide end on the outside. Now, bring the wide end down and pass it up through the loop again. This will create a second loop behind the existing one. Gently tighten the knot by pulling the wide end down and sliding the knot up toward your collar. Use your non-dominant hand to hold the narrow end and adjust the knot's tightness as needed. Finally, straighten the tie by holding the knot with one hand and pulling the narrow end with the other. Make sure the tie is centered and that the length is appropriate for your desired look. And there you have it. A perfectly tied Windsor knot. With some practice, you'll be able to tie a tie confidently and effortlessly. Remember, don't be discouraged if it takes a few tries to get it just right. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither was a perfectly tied tie. Thank you all for watching today's tutorial on how to tie a tie. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more style tips and tutorials. And as always, leave your comments and questions down below. Until next time, stay stylish.